Hi friends, welcome to this channel, and in this video clip, I will show you and tell you how you can turn off notifications for friend suggestions in the Snapchat app. Please subscribe to our channel, be sure to write your comments, also don't forget to put your likes. And let's get to our topic. So, first of all, open the Snapchat app. Then in the top left corner you'll find your image, click on it to go to your profile. Next, in the top right corner, click on the gear. And now scroll down a little bit, and you'll see a bar like this. It's called Notifications. Click on that. And basically what you're gonna want to do here is you're gonna find a subsection, which is called Friend Suggestions. And you'll just need to turn it off that way. You will no longer get suggestions for any friends on the Snapchat app. So you will be able to disable this feature in this way. Friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. You have seen how you can very easily turn off the notifications of friend suggestions in Snapchat app. Put your likes, write your comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.